welcome back to another video here on Squatting Quads. And it is winter and it is cold and expensive electricity bills and gas bills pushing people into serious financial issues. So Banggood.com reached out and said, we've got a diesel heater generator. Would you like us to send you one? So I figured, yeah, absolutely, why not? We've got parts that we can't keep necessarily warm here and that these things may well help with. So we're going to take a first look at it. We're going to do an unboxing, see what you get with it, have a quick look at some of the features. Oh, here it is. It's the HCALORY HC2H. It's a 5-litre diesel generator. Let's go and unbox it and have a look at some of the features and find out whether this is going to help reduce some of your heating bills or not. Really important point to note though, you will need to make sure that you have somewhere to exhaust the gases out. If you're going to use it inside, make sure you have some sort of outlet to exhaust the gases out, because it is a diesel heater after all, and that's not necessarily something that we are fully set up for here in the UK. So just bear that in mind. Okay, let's go. So partly in the box you get, obviously you're going to get a UK power cable or an EU or US power cable depending what territory you're in. You've got the heater pipe so that you can obviously put the heater in a different location. You've got a couple of manifolds in there as well. That's part of it. Okay, so then you've got your metal couplers and your metal connectors. You've got your exhaust. Obviously don't touch that. You've got your muffler just to keep everything a little bit quieter. You've got your L joint there as well. And you can connect it up to a car battery for your auxiliary power to start the generator going. So that's everything that you get in the box. Let's take a quick look at the heater. You obviously get a very comprehensive user manual as well, which details absolutely everything that you need. That comes in the box as well. On the side, obviously, you've got access with the panels and stuff here. You've got 2 handles on the top and you've got your diesel cap over there, which includes a filter in it as well. So around the back, you may not be able to see it. Let me just brighten up a little bit. So around the back, you've got obviously your intake fan for the AC and the AC plug as well. So on this side, you can see you've got the fuel tank gauge to show you just how much fuel is actually left in here. You've got a little sticker on there and you've got a remote here which you can take off, you can power it on, and we'll turn it around. We'll have a look at the screen now. Around the front is where the main action happens. This is where you'll put your heater pipe. Your exhaust manifold goes in the bottom there. Sorry, I didn't show you that at the time, but this is, like I said, this is where the fun happens. So you've got a power button there to turn on the screen. Once that screen's turned on, you've got a few different things that you can go through, but you can increase and lower the power. If I press this now, it will start to power on, and that's starting to preheat the generator. And then obviously in a second what will happen is it will try and fire up that diesel generator. But it is over Christmas and I have been using this to heat up the shed and the garage, and unfortunately it's done such a bang up job of it that I've got no more diesel left in it. And plus you can't really necessarily use it in a studio like this because we don't have an outdoor intake. So it is really important, if you are going to use it indoors, and it can be used indoors, that exhaust pipe is put to outdoors to make sure that those exhaust fumes are going outside. Like I say, unfortunately, the studio where we can actually film, we can't actually turn it on inside, which is just a real shame. And we can't take this camera to where we can film it because, yeah, it's just one of those things. However, it's a really, really good little heater, and it will save you a fortune on your heating bills, especially if you need to heat a shed or a garage or anything along those lines. Should give you a rough idea as to what it will look like once you've put the pipes on. So you've got the pipe there, and then underneath you've got the part of the exhaust over there that you put the manifold onto the end of that, and away you go. And it's as simple and as straightforward as that. Okay, and you also do get an app with it as well. That app will allow you to control everything. So once you actually power it on fully, it then instantly comes onto the app and tells you that it's heating up, and it shows you what it's doing and what it's going through. So you've got full control over it, whether you're with it or not. So if you wanted to, you could leave it in standby mode. You could open up the app and you could preheat it before you went into your shed or into your garage or your RV or whatever it is that you're going to use it for. But this is a really efficient heater that uses about a litre of fuel overnight, so it really is really efficient and should save you some of those expensive electricity bills. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully that will help some of you who need something like this. There is a link in the description down below. It does have a discount code as well. So, you know, let's hope it helps some of you save some money, both on the purchases and, of course, your bills this winter time, especially over Christmas, because it is super expensive. Bit different than what we normally do, but Banggood.com really did want to get us to help get the information out here about this, and we negotiated that discount for you guys as well. So at least we're giving something back. Any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comments down below, and I will see you later with some FPV content. Peace.